Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isha and today I'm going to share a few mindsets that set you apart from the average crowd. So first and foremost is never share your plans with everyone. As in keep your plans private. You must have heard don't overshare, privacy is power. When you tell others about what you are building now, suddenly everyone expects results. Your friends, your family, your co-workers, and sometimes now their hopes and doubt become your burden. This pressure kills your focus. Okay, so working quietly allow us to move at our own pace without distractions. And moreover, premature sharing invites judgment also. You might think that sharing our plans will bring support, but most people are not focused on helping. They are more focused on finding mistakes, criticizing, doubting, or projecting their own limitations onto you. So the moment you go public too early now, your energy gets drained defending yourself instead of building your own dreams. Okay, so not only that, you also attract that unnecessary negative energy to something that is still in its early growing stage. So keep your plans private until they are solid. The less you announce, the more you focus. And people who talk constantly about their goals rarely achieve them. And those who act quietly, they let their results do the talking. Okay, so your silence is your secret weapon. Keep your plans, progress, and ideas private until they are permanent. Okay, that silence protect your focus, your energy, and your results. Okay, second mindset I want you to inculcate is keep the promises you make to yourself. Keeping promises to self is where real self respect is built. Okay, it is easy to show up for others, but most people break their commitment to themselves without even noticing. Every time you say, I will do it tomorrow, and you don't, you slowly begin to lose trust in yourself. And without that trust, now confidence cannot grow. But when you start doing what you said you would, even in small things, you start rebuilding your inner reliability. Okay, it's never about perfection, it's about consistency. Okay, and over time, now you stop depending on motivation and start becoming someone who follows through. Okay, and that shift changes everything because now you are no longer just making plans, you are keeping all those commitments made to you. Okay, following through on these commitments, even those minor ones, create evidence of capability. Okay, so keeping these promises help you stay firm in your own eyes. And psychologists confirm that this internal integrity is crucial for our confidence and our resilience in times when nobody is standing with us. Okay, in those difficult times now, these inner commitments that you have kept at to yourself become the source of strength and power to handle any adversity of life. Okay, it makes you free from that external dependency and validation from others. Okay, so whenever you make a promise to yourself, always try to keep it. Now, the third mindset I want to share is get comfortable with being misunderstood. This is very important. Being misunderstood is inevitable. Even the most articulate, self aware, and communicative person in the world will still be misinterpreted. We are all walking around with our own biases, our own wounds, and filters that shape the way we see each other. Okay, you could explain yourself perfectly, and someone will still get it wrong. Okay, so being misunderstood is not a failure, but a sign that you are living authentically. Okay, to be fully understood means being very definable. It means you fit neatly into a box that people can label, categorize, and move on from. Okay, but real people don't work like that. We are contradictions, we are changeable, and we are complex. Okay, so if you are never misunderstood now, you are probably being too careful. You are probably trying to manipulate your authenticity, making yourself smaller, easier, and more digestible. But if people sometimes get you wrong, if they misinterpret your kindness, your ambition, or your silence, it means you're showing up in the world as you are, not as you think you should be. Okay, of course there will be people who will get you, who will read between those lines, and who will understand the things you don't even say. Okay, these are your people, hold on to them. But for everyone else, let them misunderstand you, let them think what they want, let them project, assume, and misread. Okay, just accept this, that being misunderstood is sometimes okay. Okay, now the next mindset I want you to inculcate is audit your circle regularly. Not everyone belongs in your inner circle, and that is completely okay. As it is wisely said, you are the average of the five people you spend the most time with. So ask yourself, does this person energize me or exhaust me? It is totally okay to love people from a distance. Okay. So if someone is constantly draining and brings negativity and stress into your life, now you don't have to cut ties completely, but you can minimize the time you spend with them and the emotional investment you make in that relationship. Okay. Staying in circle where you feel nurtured, accepted, and respected for who you are, not who they are trying to make you, is very important. Always remember, our tribe shapes our vibe. Okay. Now the next mentality I want to share is limit complaining to zero. Limit complaining to zero is less about staying silent and more about taking your power back. It is noticing how often we slip into complaining as a default, about people, situations, timings, and how it keeps us stuck in the same loop. The more we complain, the more our minds get trained to see what's wrong instead of what can be done. Okay? So, but when you pause now and choose not to complain, something shifts. You start looking for solutions, or you learn to accept what you cannot control. And I'm telling you, it's not easy because complaining feels natural, almost comforting. Okay? But real strength begins when you stop feeding the problem and start changing your response to it. Okay, that's where the clarity, the control, the real transformation begin. Okay, complaining gives your power away to people or to situations and slowly drains you mentally while keeping you stuck exactly where you are. Okay, you must have observed, when the more you complain, the more helpless you start to feel, as if others are controlling your stress, your mood, or your energy level. In reality, now all it does is make you focus on the problem again and again, without making you moving forward. Okay, so instead, pause and clearly identify what's bothering you, and then decide, can I fix it? If yes, take action. If not, accept it and move on with life without complaining. Okay, next mindset I want you to inculcate is live with your own pace, your own timeline. Living at your own pace means unlearning the constant pressure to rush, to compare, and to prove yourself. It is realizing that life is not a race, even though it often feels like one, where everyone seems ahead, achieving more, moving faster. Okay, but the truth is now every person is on a different timeline, shaped by their own struggles, their own choices, and their own journey. Okay, so when you start honoring your own pace now, you stop forcing things that are not ready, and you stop doubting yourself just because someone else is moving differently. Okay, you begin to trust that where you are is where you are meant to be right now. And growth becomes less about catching up and more about becoming. Okay, and in that space, there is less anxiety, less noise, just a quiet confidence that your life will unfold in its own time, the way it meant to be. Okay, and last but not the least is, do not over explain yourself. People see you from their own perspective, and no matter how much you explain, those who don't want to understand will still have a problem with you. Okay, and those who truly know you do not need those longer explanations in the first place. Okay, over explaining often comes from trying to seek approval, and in doing so now you give away your power. Okay, almost like you're asking permission or justifying your choices. Okay, so be clear, be honest, and say what's needed, but do not feel the need to explain your every action or your every decision. Okay, not over explaining yourself is about trusting your own choices without that need of constant validation. Many times now we feel the urge to explain more than necessary because we want to be understood or accepted. But the truth is now, not everyone will understand you, no matter how clearly or honestly you speak. Okay, and that's completely okay. The more you over explain, the more you start seeking approval and giving others control over your decisions and your life. Okay, so when you can keep it simple and say only what's needed, you protect your energy and stand firm in who you are. Okay, so it's not about being rude or distant, it's about being clear, confident, and secure enough to not justify every choice you make. Okay, now pause and reflect which of these mindsets resonate with you in the current moment. Just pick one and start incorporating it into your daily life mindset. That's it. See you in my next video. Until then, take care.